In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil on this Volkswagen Tiguan. This vehicle has the 2.0 liter turbocharged engine. Let's get into it. Using a 7mm socket, take these screws out. On the sides, it's just clipped in right here. You just want to try to pull this out. Pull it off the front. Do the same on the other side. It just pulls out. I'm going to remove these screws. There's a T25 socket. Take that out. On the sides, there's one there, one there, one there. Should be one there. Right there and right there. I'm just going to use a trim tool. You can see where it's clipped in here and on the other side. And just slide it right back. With the vehicle raised and supported safely, you want to look for the oil pan, and you can see the drain plug at the back side of it. We're going to use a T45 socket. You want to have a drain bucket underneath. Pull the drain plug out and drain the oil. Now take the drain plug, take the seal off. I'll put a new seal on. It is recommended that you replace the drain plug. Snug that up first. I'll torque this to 22 foot-pounds. And with a rag, just wipe off any residual. And you're going to remove the cover, pull that off. You can see there's a hose that goes over the oil filter. We're just going to pop this up, move that out of the way. And you want to take an oil filter wrench, or you can use a cup. Loosen this up. I'm just going to take a rag just in case any oil comes out. Just unscrew the filter. Pull that out. And take a little fresh engine oil, and you want to lubricate the seal on the new filter. That's good. You can wipe the contact area where the filter was, but that looks pretty good. You just get a rag. And on the filter housing, you just want to take a clean rag, just wipe that off. Looks good. Get the oil filter started. And once it feels pretty snug, we're going to go another half turn or 3/4 turn. That's good. And take the hose and put the hose back in the retainers. And the oil cap. Take the oil cap off. And using a funnel, I'm going to pour the correct oil in. We're using 5W30 synthetic oil. This vehicle is going to take 5 quarts. And this is the last quart. Just let that drain. And take the funnel, take the cap, put the cap on, close it up. You're going to take the cover, line the cover back up, push that down. Now we're going to start the car and let it run for about 15 seconds. And shut it off. And we're going to check the oil level. Make sure the vehicle is on a level surface. Pull the dipstick out. Wipe it off. Reinsert the dipstick. Pull it out again. And you want to check and make sure it's in between these hash marks right here. And that's exactly where you want to see it. That looks good. Now I'll take this. I'm going to slide the bracket, so one's going to come down, this is going to go up, this is down, this is up, this is down, up. Get that slid in place. That's good. Now I'll put the screws in. Get those started. Should be another one right there on the other side. And one more in the middle, and we'll snug those down. Now I take this shield, get this lined up. And just push it on. You can use a rubber mallet if you need to. Push the sides in place. That's good. Now put these screws in and snug them down. We're going to reset the oil life. You're going to push on the side of the cluster this button that says set, and there's a 00. That's the trip button. Hold that down, and then we're going to turn the vehicle in the on position with the engine off. So don't step on the brake. Make sure you have the key in the car. We'll just push this once. And then you want to release the button on the side of the cluster, and it'll ask you on the dash if you want to reset. You just push the OK button, hit OK, the service has been reset. At this point, you can shut the vehicle off, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.